Look no further than the 2018 Honda Civic. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Presenting the Honda Civic Sedan, the iconic, sophisticated compact that sets the standard for comfort, reliability, performance, and efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It feels good to be in the sweet spot. The Honda Civic Sedan will take you there. Take it out for a test drive today.